Hi, and welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host, Tomasz Trenda, in the San Francisco Bay Area. The Bay Area is known internationally for its iconic architecture and incredible arts and culture scene. It's also full of beautiful ocean beaches, lakes, and multiple mountains, offering a massive array of hiking trails and camping options right here in the Bay Area. It truly is the best place in America to enjoy both urban and natural lifestyles. Today we're in the East Bay in the city of Berkeley, and I want to show you one of my favorite places to go hiking, and then we're going to tour my latest new listing tucked in the Redwoods just above the University of California campus. Come on, let's go. One of my favorite places to hike in the Bay Area is Tilden Regional Park here in the city of Berkeley. Spanning over 2,000 acres, it offers more than 40 miles of hiking trails, beautiful mountain vistas, towering groves of giant redwood trees, and numerous lakes for year-round fishing, swimming, and even camping. After a nice long hike here in Tilden Park, one of my favorite things to do is stop here at Lake Anza and have a nice long swim. There's a beautiful sandy beach for sunbathing, and I like to swim across the lake and play on this amazing rope swing right over there. Another very popular feature here in Tilden Park is this steam train, which takes kiddies through a giant grove of redwood trees. Now that we've checked out Tilden Park, let's go check out my latest new listing just down the hill from here and within easy walking distance. We're here at 3328 Dwight Way in Berkeley, an adorable, cute cottage nestled in the Redwoods above the UC Berkeley campus. Come on, let's take a look inside. It's a one-bedroom, 1.5-bath detached home and has a new updated kitchen and bathroom, plus old-world charm with knotty pine paneling, a wood stove, and a large deck off the living room for outdoor entertaining and watching the sunsets. From here, you can walk to downtown Berkeley, the University of California campus, and also Tilden Park. It's a nature lover's paradise, and it's listed at $650,000. Thank you for joining me in this tour through the beautiful San Francisco Bay Area. I'm your host, Tomasz Trenda, with Golden Gate Sotheby's International Realty. See you in my next episode.